Donnini's restaurant was my father's restaurant, created in the late 1979. My problem before joining Beyond Payment System was that I wasn't able to pass on the bank charge compliantly to my customers. I found the Beyond Payment System have been true to their word. They have provided me with a no-fee payment system. What's been fantastic is that I've been able to operate my business with a terminal that allows me to be able to not incur the costs that the bank is charged. The results that I've got from Beyond Payment Systems have only been positive. I was initially a little bit concerned about customer reaction. I was about to go into an area in my business where customers were able to question what I was doing. That was dissipated within the first day. Customers were encouraging me to be able to do so because they understood the nature of it, and the system itself provided great ease. What made me choose Beyond Payment Systems over everybody else was the compliant factor when it came to the merchant fee. This allowed me to be able to pass on what is regarded as a merchant fee, which is a bank charge, directly to my customer without me having to alter a charge myself. This happens automatically with the system, and once again this provides ease and security and knowledge that everything is happening the way that it should. The three main benefits that I've received, first one is customer service. From the day that somebody came in to discuss it with me up until today, I have received constant support. Backup service. Software issues are done instantaneously. If there is a hardware issue, someone was here within an hour. So back of house assistance is greatly important. And thirdly, financial. I would recommend Beyond Payment System to somebody that is sitting on the fence unequivocally, because I truly believe that something that saves you time and also saves you money is of great benefit. I'm always after something that makes life easier for me, and this system has.